Hey everybody, p-brane here. Just want to do a very quick video here, actually reading a couple of my comments on this video titled Curved or Flat? The Scientific Method. It's by Karma Dog. Okay, so he lays out this case. Long story short, here's two pictures across somewhere in Lake Michigan. Same old tired argument that, the ground is blocking the rocks over here on this side of the shore. You can't see the lower portions, therefore the earth is curved. Well, this shot obviously was taken from higher up. This one was taken from lower. And let's go down to the comment. And the good thing about this is I have a script to read. How about that? Here we go. So I said, besides the ground visually ramping up to intersect with the height of the center of the lens, or the center of the observer's eyes, as we know perspective convergence will do, and creating one's horizon, that horizon means the end of the visible ground or water. So objects beyond that horizon will start to have their bottoms blocked from view. And the further beyond the horizon the object is, the smaller it gets relative to the eye-blocking horizon, and the more of its bottom is blocked from view. And another thing, from the lower shot at 5:30, let's go see what that looks like. That was this one right here. Okay, I'm talking about the lower one where this rock wall or whatever it is supposedly blocked from view. Okay. And another thing, from the lower shot at 5:30, the water looks very choppy, and just one of those waves will block an entire floor or several floors of a building, depending on how far beyond the horizon the building is. When the camera is lower, you'll be looking through the cumulative height of all of the waves, windswept waves, tidal swelling, or any other conditions. Also, if you're any relation to Soundly, his camera appears to curve images downwards and also compresses his images, making them completely distorted and cartoonish.
That's all, folks.
And non-representative of reality. So I give this a big fail. The Earth is not a ball, and the Earth is said to be rotating, bulging the ground upward 14 miles high due to the current supposed rotational speed of the Earth. Yet, we aren't supposed to notice? Ha ha! No, my friend, the Earth is immovable, dead still. And there are two parts to the equation: the shape of the Earth and whether or not it's moving. The flat Earth is corroborated by the fact that we feel no motion, we sense no motion, we detect no motion. So what you are seeing in this picture at 5:30 is completely normal and expected on a flat plane. This guy says, the Earth is a sphere and it rotates at a rate of 15 degrees per hour, a rate of rotation that was measured by a flattard with a $20,000 laser gyroscope. You will never feel the rotation of the Earth because you are moving with it. You will never feel anything if the speed remains constant. Drive a car at a constant speed of 100 kilometers and throw any object up or down inside the car. The object will never crash into the back of the car at 100 kilometers per hour. And the equatorial bulge is about 27 miles, not 14 miles, which is nothing to a diameter of 7,900-ish miles. Show me a damn picture of Polaris from Australia. If you can't, then shut up because you don't know Jack. Actually, I do know Jack. Jack is a good friend of mine. I have quite a few Jacks that I know. p-brane comes back. Oh, it's 27 miles high now? Ha ha! So, let me get this straight. A spinning ball with a rim speed of 1,000 miles per hour, whose centrifugal force is bulging the ground up 27 miles high, by hundreds of miles wide and beyond measurable weight of rock, dirt, water, etc., is supposedly going on beneath us. Yet, at the surface, where the centrifugal force would be the maximum, and let me add, at the surface where we live, we see lakes and ponds like glass. And don't give me that constant speed garbage. The Earth supposedly just went through Periapsis. Periapsis of Perihelion is the point in the Earth's supposed orbit around the Sun where the Earth would reach its maximum orbital speed, as per Kepler's area law. All right, so everybody's heard the 66,000 mile per hour orbital speed. That's an average speed. The Earth would speed up and slow down during the year. Okay, let me read that again. So, Periapsis of Perihelion is the point in the Earth's supposed orbit around the Sun where the Earth would reach its maximum orbital speed as per Kepler's area law. That's where you sweep out equal area and equal time. And so you're 3 million miles closer to the Sun, okay, while simultaneously negotiating the tightest turn. That's periapsis. That's a pivotal point of directional change in an ellipse. And here's the kicker, all while rotating. So when you're on the outside of the Earth, you'd be rotating in the orbital direction. So you'd have to add 1,000 miles per hour to the overall speed. Then, 12 hours later, you'd be on the inside rotating against the orbital direction. So you'd have to subtract 1,000 miles per hour, giving the spinning ball Earth and its inhabitants a 2,000 mile per hour fluctuation in speed every 12 hours. So dream on, my friend. We live on an immovable, stationary plane. All right. Thank you so much for watching. There's only one thing left to do. Let's kick the ball out of here. Take care.
The earth is flat.